Today, we're diving into the fundamental principles of project management, perfect for beginners eager to embark on their project management journey. Welcome to our channel, all about how Lean Six Sigma can help you inspire, innovate, and improve. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or simply interested in mastering organizational skills, this video is tailored just for you. So let's get started. Tip 1. Understand the project lifecycle. Every project goes through distinct phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling, and closure. Think of it as a roadmap guiding you from inception to completion. During initiation, you define the project scope, objectives, and stakeholders. In planning, you create a detailed roadmap, setting tasks, deadlines, and resources. Execution is where the action happens. Tasks are completed, and progress is monitored. Monitoring and controlling involve tracking performance, managing risks, and making adjustments. Finally, closure involves formalizing project completion, evaluating outcomes, and documenting lessons learned. Tip 2. Effective communication is key. As a project manager, clear communication is your superpower. Establish open channels of communication with your team, stakeholders, and clients. Ensure everyone understands their roles, responsibilities, and expectations. Regularly update stakeholders on project progress, milestones, and any changes. Remember, effective communication fosters collaboration, resolves conflicts, and keeps everyone aligned towards common goals. Tip number 3. Utilize project management tools. In today's digital age, there's a plethora of tools available to streamline project management. From Gantt charts and Kanban boards to collaboration platforms like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com. These tools empower you to organize tasks, allocate resources, and track progress efficiently. Find the tools that best suit your project's needs and leverage their features to enhance productivity and teamwork. Before moving on to the next skill, if you'd like to learn more about how Lean Six Sigma tools can help you inspire, innovate, and improve, check out our book on Amazon. Link is in the description below. Tip 4. Manage risks proactively. No project is immune to risks, but a proactive approach can mitigate their impact. Identify potential risks early in the planning phase and develop strategies to address them. Create a risk management plan outlining risk triggers, mitigation strategies, and contingency plans. Regularly reassess and update your risk register throughout the project lifecycle. Remember, being prepared for the unexpected is a hallmark of successful project management. Tip number 5. Embrace continuous improvement. The journey of project management is a learning process. Take time to reflect on each project's successes and challenges. Encourage feedback from your team and stakeholders to identify areas for improvement. Implement lessons learned into future projects to refine your processes and enhance outcomes. Remember, the pursuit of excellence is an ongoing endeavor. By understanding the project lifecycle, communicating effectively, utilizing tools, managing risks, and embracing continuous improvement, you're well equipped to kickstart your project management journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep learning, growing, and mastering your craft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. also consider supporting our work on Patreon page. Link is in the description. And until next time, never stop improving.